Priyanka.
Hi, this is Fatima.
And we are from Hopping Chef. So Fatima, are we continuing the Ramzan recipes?
Yes, let's do that.
So what have you got for us today?
Maybe a Falooda?
Let's try a deconstructed Falooda.
What's that?
Let's find out. So first we'll make a milk reduction. It'll have milk made as per your sweetness.
So Priyanka, during this process, do we need to continuously stir the milk while it's boiling?
Yes, absolutely Fatima. And then after it's halfway through, then we add the gelatin which is soaked in warm water.
So I guess Priyanka, the consistency should be like this. The thickness of the reduction should be this creamy, just like how we have rabdi.
Yes, and it should coat the back of the spoon.
Right.
We take a ramekin, empty.
Or any other bowl?
Yeah, any other bowl would do. I have some crushed pistachios. I'll lay it at the base halfway through.
Okay.
We also have some dried rose petals.
Oh, how can a Falooda be without rose?
Rose,
petals?
exactly.
So we add them?
Yes. And then we add our milk reduction. Yes. That's it. We'll freeze this for 1 hour about in the freezer. Now let's move towards making the compote.
A cherry compote you mean?
Yes.
Okay.
We have the cherries, those are de-seeded. We'll start by adding little sugar.
Okay. Do you want to add some cranberry juice?
Of course, why not?
Tell me when to stop.
I think that's enough.
Okay.
We'll now add the cherries.
We give a nice stir to this.
Yes.
And let it bring to boil.
Yes, until the cherries are soft.
Priyanka, we have this compote. You can see the consistency.
See.
Is that fine?
Yes, it's absolutely fine. Now we'll turn off the gas and keep it for cooling. We'll first add the compote at the base. Why don't you layer this as well? I'll do the other one.
Sure. Because Falooda is incomplete without a save.
Yes. We'll now add the Falooda. Now we'll add the sabja.
Do you want to garnish it with some rose petals?
Yeah, and of course, few nuts.
So that's our deconstructed Falooda.
If you like this recipe, subscribe to Hopping Chef.